Hello, in front of me I have Doogee X100 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the power button. When this menu appears on the screen, press and hold on the power off option, then tap OK to confirm. As you can see, our device booted into save mode. To exit this mode, just press and hold the power button and then tap on the restart option. And that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.